Hello, good people. My name is Frieza, and I'm back with another video. Today, I want to show you how to connect your audio interface, your sound card, into a Cubase 5. I've been receiving a lot of emails, people asking me to show them how to connect audio interface into a Cubase. I like Cubase 5, but you can do it with Cubase 6, Cubase 8, whatever Cubase you have. The process is the same. So let's get started. As you can see, my Cubase is open. So you have to go here to devices. You go to devices, you press the devices, and then you come straight here to device setup. Device setup, and then you go here where it says VST audio system. Here you press here, and then as you can see, mine is connected to audio for all, but my audio interface is opal 22 hybrid opal 22, but I cannot go to it now because I have to use the microphone. So if I press here, my microphone will be disconnected, so you cannot hear me. So but you have to press this drop down arrow and then scroll until you see your audio interface is gonna appear here. As you can see, mine is here. You have to press it here where it says hybrid opal 22. This is my audio interface, hybrid opal 22. You can have your let's say you have a M audio. You will find it here. Whatever you have, you will find it here, and then you have to click on it. After clicking on it, when you come here, you will see everything here is connected, everything is active, all these boxes are checked, and then you have to close, or you can just press OK. You can just press OK, and then after pressing OK, you come to devices again. You press the devices again, and now you go here where it says VST connections. You press VST connections, and then you come to the input, and then after pressing the input, you come here where my mouse is. You press, and then most of the time you will find it here saying not connected, and then you have to go to your audio interface. As you can see, mine is audio for all because I didn't connect my hybrid opal 22 here because my microphone is gonna be disconnected. But you have to come here and press your audio interface here. After clicking it here, you have to go to output and do the same to the output. Your audio interface is gonna be connected. I think I've shown you everything. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, press the bell notification so that you can be the first person to see when I'm making another video. Thank you guys, and bye bye.